Escape to the British Virgin Islands with WLMS Yacht Charters. Today we visit charter yacht Odyssea, a 8-passenger 59 fountain per yacht available for all-inclusive crude yacht charter in the British Virgin Islands. Cabin configuration: 1 large primary suite cabin and 3 queen cabins. All cabins have plush mattress toppers, en-suite bathrooms and reef-safe toiletries. Diving detail: 3 dives per certified diver. Dive gear not included. Water toys included: 2 underwater sea scooters, wakeboard, kneeboard, tube, and abundant water floaties. For more information on pricing and availability, please visit WLMSCharters.com.